Hello and welcome to day 3. Today is our first breathwork practice. This breathwork will be super easy. It'll be a gentle introduction to the practice of breathwork and its benefits. So we'll be focusing on breathwork which calms us down. There are other types which energize you, but this one is meant to calm the nervous system and it'll teach us how to breathe properly. So make sure you're wearing some comfortable pants, nothing that restricts the core or your breathing. And when you're ready, find a seat or lay down. Okay, so whether you're lying down or seated, go ahead and close your eyes. Make sure those shoulder blades are nice and rested on your back. And we're not going to do any counting today. We're just going to bring our awareness to our breath and the muscles we use for breathing. Now, before I give you any cues, go ahead and notice the quality of your breath. Notice if you're breathing into the upper lungs, if you're kind of hunched over, if it feels shallow, or if it feels open already, expansive, easy. Begin to slow the pace of your breathing down, no matter where it feels like you're breathing into, whether it's the stomach, the upper chest, or even shallower. Good. Now from here, place one hand on the stomach and one hand on your chest. Now have a good feel. See where that air is going first. Now figure out where you feel your breath the most. Maybe it's in the nose, maybe it's the back of the throat, maybe it's in the lungs. Good. Now, if you have good posture or if you're lying down, you should be able to relax your core. Just recruit the little amount of core you need to hold yourself upright. If we tense our core, if we clench inward, then we're restricting our breathing. You don't need to clench anything in. Relax for this practice especially. Keep that slow breathing going. Good. Now what I want you to do is start to breathe into the hand that you have on the stomach. There's a muscle called the diaphragm which sits right below our lungs, and that should be the muscle that does the majority of our breathing. Many of us breathe quite shallow because we're seated, hunched over, or just because of habit. And shallow breathing happens with the accessory muscles in the upper chest, using those chest muscles and neck muscles. So try and breathe with ease with your diaphragm. Allow it to press into the hand on the stomach. And slow your breath down even more. Try and make the inhale and the exhale equally long. Good. Now once you've felt your diaphragm working, then on the inhale, begin to inhale into the chest. So diaphragm first, chest second. Diaphragm first, chest second, but in one fluid motion. Good. And that should feel like a nice, deep, full breath. I'm going to let you enjoy that just with the music in the background for now. We'll be like this for about another minute or so. You can release the hands or keep them there if it was helpful to feel that extra sensation. Enjoy and pull yourself into the present moment. Stay with your breath. Two more breaths. On the last exhale, feel free to sigh, relaxing the shoulders down, releasing any tension in the body. Then return to your natural breathing, move the body around a bit, and maybe open the eyes when you're ready. Good. Hopefully that left you feeling super relaxed. You can translate that breathing to your yoga practice or to any circumstance where you're feeling anxious, and it should help to bring you back down into a calmer state. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 4.